You're thinking about getting a Monstera, you better stop and listen to this, because there's a lot of shit that people do not tell you about these hoes. So first things first is these bitches are fucking dusty, like Dusty Dinkleman from Just Friends. Especially if you got a diffuser, that shit, instead of bringing the dust to the ground, is gonna bring it on top of your leaves. And what are leaves? They are solar panels. That hoes even reaching towards the sun as we speak. And if there's dust on the panels, if there's dust on the leaves, you're not gonna be able to photosynthesize and your plant's gonna be stagnant. The next thing is a classic overwatering. Monsteras get overwatered very easily. They retain a lot of moisture, and then look at that hoe. I left that in there for 2 days and it's fucked up. So there's a lot of excess moisture that you're gonna want to pour out. And the thing, when you overwater, thrips fucking come. Look at these hoes. They eat the cell membrane and they look like they pay the fucking bills, bitch, but you don't. So you're gonna have to take some houseplant insect control. I don't read directions, so I just sprinkled that sprinkle on top. I mix it in a little bit. This is gonna prevent the thrips from laying eggs for the next generation to come. And then you're just gonna want to, oh man, my throat got dry. Then you're just gonna pluck those already infected leaves off, take some isopropyl alcohol, just give it a little dabbity dab on a napkin and wipe that bitch down. What the alcohol is gonna do is that it's gonna burn these bitches alive, but I don't give a fuck because I pay good money for this Monstera. Get in those petioles too, because they like to hide in there. You're also gonna want to make sure you get proper airflow. If you don't have good airflow, it's not gonna happen. If you want a good front-facing Monstera, you need to make sure the nodes are facing the right way. This is a great example of what not to do right here. Is the nodes are facing all which kind of way, so you might want to replant it if you want that look so they're not crisscross. This is a perfect example of the nodes facing the same way in a beautiful Monstera.